So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another video which is part of my Python basics series, and the topic of this video is sorting a Numpy array. So guys, in the last videos we have been discussing a lot of Numpy related functions like joining, splitting, iterating, searching. So today I'm going to teach you how we can sort a Numpy array. So guys, if you like my videos and you want me to keep creating this content, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. And without delaying this any further, let's get started. So guys, the first thing, if you want to sort a numpy array, definitely you have to create a numpy array, right? So let me just create a numpy array here. So array equals to np.array, and let's randomly pass some values, and let's just make this a random array. Yeah, so now this array is definitely not sorted, and the function which you can use to sort this array is called as the sort function. Okay, so the sort function, you can use it in two ways. So the first way is you can use it by creating another object. If you want to store your sorted array in another object, then the good way is you use something called as np.sort and just pass your array object inside this, and you will actually receive a copy of the sorted array. So now your original array remains unchanged. So you can see that the original array is not changed, but you have got a new object, sorted array, which is sorted. But what if I want to sort my original array? I want to mutate my original array only. In that case, all you have to do is call the sort function with your array object. So just call the sort function over your array object, and now if you print your original array, you will see that your original array itself is sorted. Okay. Guys, so next thing is, as we know that numpy is definitely a multi-dimensional array. It provides support for it. So if I create a two-dimensional array, what will happen if I try to sort a two-dimensional array, right? So let me just create a two-dimensional array here, and let me just create this, and now my two-dimensional array is created. And okay, so there is definitely issue, yeah, because I forgot this comma. Now this two-dimensional array is created. Guys, if I do array.sort here, what do you think will happen? So I'll tell you. If you do array.sort, then numpy will basically sort both the rows of this array. So now if I print array, you will see that the multi-dimensional array having two rows, and both the rows are simply just sorted. So you can apply this function to any dimensional array, and basically all the dimensions of that array will get sorted. Okay. By all the dimensions, I mean all the inner dimension in which the elements are present. So those elements will definitely be sorted. Now guys, the next topic is how to do the reverse sorting. Okay, so guys, if you want to do a reverse sorting in case of numpy array, you have to actually read the array from behind, and then you can call a sort function on it, right? Or you can call a sort function on an array and you can just start reading it from behind. Okay, it's as simple as that. Just call the sort function and then you read the array from behind. So let's see if this is my array, right? Now all I have to do to reverse this array is call something called as array.sort. So this function is going to sort my array, and then you do colon -1, and this will just read your array from behind. Okay, so you will see that. Okay, so yeah, because this object is not iterable, so you have to call this here. Yeah, so now it will do this. So basically what has happened is that we are sorting our array, we are calling the sort function, and then we are reading our array from the behind. Okay, so you can see that now your array is sorted in a descending order. The same thing you can do with np.sort as well. So let's create this array again, and if you want to do np.sort, then just say descending array and just do something like this, np.sort your array. So now I have sorted my array, and now I am reading my array from behind. And now if you print the descending array, you will see that it has become a reverse sorted array. So guys, that was about sorting, and I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubts or any questions, please put them in the comment section below. I would be happy to answer them. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please like it and share it as well. Also do hit the bell icon for further notifications of my content. Until next time, thank you so much everyone, and bye bye.